This now coming video.
Coming.
Okay. This Faisal me going to what name?
Faisal.
Faisal there.
Jungle.
Jungle. This Romeo and Faisal coming in the jungle, and this is the jungle. See, I need the remembrance for vacation. I go vacation because this jungle. I take one stone for souvenir. Jungle. Romeo and Faisal. Number Wahid, go mom's tea and drink tea and purata like that. Okay, and I'm here in. I take my souvenir here in what you called. I take one stone souvenir Philippines. Wait, I take one stone. See, this is stone coming here. I take one. Maybe here. See? Okay. This one stone. This is stone for souvenir. Yeah. I take one stone. And my son going to Europe. He take also sand and stone for souvenir in the land. Titi, Mom's tea. Okay. This is my number one friend, Faisal. Sometimes, what is name this other one? Imran. Sometimes Imran coming with me and take me in the accommodation. But Faisal bring me in jungle. Nice experience. Okay. And I take stone. This is stone for the jungle. I take jungle stone. I take this for my what you call souvenir and collection. Stone in Qatar. See, I bring in the Philippines. You see, this is the video I take here in the land of the Qatar. This is stone I take here. This is the what called the jungle. This is jungle stone. This is a souvenir I take from Philippines. Okay. After my son going Europe, he take stone again. Then Europe, Italy, and France. Sometimes Mexico, America. I take my son. But this is now Qatar stone, jungle stone. This is the souvenir of Romeo and Faisal. Remember Faisal? This is my best friend here in Qatar. Shukran.